For centuries, Christian Armenians are viewed with suspicion in the Muslim-dominated Ottoman Empire. During World War I, Ottoman forces suffer a humiliating defeat at Sarikamish and blames it on Armenian treachery. In retaliation, Armenian and non-Muslim soldiers are disarmed, transferred to labor battalions, and murdered. Along the Russian border, Armenian villagers are rounded up and executed. On April 24, 1915, Talaat Pasha orders the arrest of 250 Armenian intellectuals and politicians. Most of these men are never heard from again. When the Ottoman Parliament authorizes the deportation of its Armenian citizens, almost 1 million Armenians die in death marches and killing fields. Despite the historical evidence, the government of modern-day Turkey has refused to acknowledge this systematic campaign of mass murder as genocide.